Would you do this deal? La Paz County, Arizona, 1 acre, 1 acre paved. Offer price is 14. Oh, it's in Quartzsite. Now I got it. 14 and a half, 14,500. Thinks we could sell it for 50. So is it industrial? Is it commercial? Next to mobile parks and can be added to a mobile park. I'm watching you.
Yeah, Anthony, I would do this. I mean, I would definitely pursue this. We got to find out what the zoning is and all of that. Quartzsite is one of the single most popular places for snowbirds, places from, people from places where it snows, like right now, actually, to go park RVs. It's like, I think it's the single most popular place in the country. It's smack between Los Angeles and Arizona and Phoenix. It's the stopping point for everybody that's going between here, including us. Every time Jill and I drive back and forth, we stop here.
There may or may not be a Dairy Queen that I frequent there.
It might be this exit, actually.
Exactly.
All kidding aside, I would seriously look into this. Let's price it real quick.
I'm looking on Zillow right now to see. I'm
looking
super curious.
So mobile home indicator, Y. So yeah, I'd take this really seriously. I'm assuming Y means yes, but.
I'm looking in Quartzsite, like stuff for sale right now.
Cheapest property is 40 grand. So I would, Anthony, if you want to partner in this, please send, Jack at landacademy.com and I'd happily do this with you or look into it to the point where we would either do it or we wouldn't.
I love it too. Totally passes for me, Anthony. Good job. Happy you could join us today. 5 days a week, you can find us right here on the Land Academy Show.
You are not alone in your real estate ambition.